Chapter number 8, Introduction to various techniques and tools. In this video, discussion will be made on Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a set of tools and techniques for process improvement related to product in the industry. Six Sigma was first introduced in 1986 by American engineer Bill Smith while working at Motorola. Later on, in 1995, Jack Welch used Six Sigma in General Electric. Six Sigma is a continuous improvement methodology for eliminating defects in a product, processes, or services. A Six Sigma process is one in which 99.99966% of the products manufactured are statistically expected to be free from the defects. A product is said to be a Six Sigma product quality if there are no more than 3.4 non-conformities, means defects, per million opportunity at the part and process step level. Means in 10 lakh products, 3.4 defects are allowed. This table shows Six Sigma scale related to defects. This table explains scale in terms of defect rate, part per million, yield in percentage, cost of poor quality, percentage of sales, and competitive level. Let us discuss one by one. In Six Sigma, 3.4 parts per million defects are allowed. In 5 Sigma, 233 parts per million defects are allowed. In 4 Sigma, 6210 parts per million defects are allowed. In 3 Sigma, 66,807 parts per million defects are allowed. Similarly, for 2 Sigma, 3,08,537 parts per million defects are allowed. For 1 Sigma, 6,90,000 defects are allowed parts per million. As far as the yield in percentage is concerned, Six Sigma gives 99.99966% yield. 5 Sigma gives 99.9767% yield. In 4 Sigma, 99.3790% yield is possible. In 3 Sigma, 93.3193 yield is possible. Similarly, for 2 Sigma, 69.1462 yield is possible. As far as the cost of poor quality is concerned, in Six Sigma, less than 10% is required for cost of poor quality. For 5 Sigma, 10 to 15% cost of poor quality required. For 4 Sigma, 14 to 20%. For 3 Sigma, 20 to 30%. For 2 Sigma, 30 to 40%. And for 1 Sigma, 74%. As far as the competitive level is concerned, 5 Sigma and 6 Sigma are world class level. 3 Sigma and 4 Sigma is industry average level, and first and 2 Sigma is non-competitive. 6 Sigma is first used by Motorola in 1985. Motorola spent $25 million on initial top-down training program. Later in 1992, thousands of employees had participated in a Six Sigma training course. In the same year in 1992, Motorola achieved 80% reduction in the cost of quality per unit shipped and yielding a total saving of nearly $4 billion. Just one year after, that is in 1993, Motorola saved $250 million on failure cost. Motorola became successful in implementing Six Sigma clearly. Six Sigma use DMAC methodology. In DMAC, D stands for define, M stands for measure, A stands for analyze, I stands for improve, C stands for control. Let us discuss one by one. Here define means defining the project goals or objectives. M means measuring the processes from which product was produced. Analyze means analyzing the data to determine root cause of defect or reason of defect in a product. Improve stands for improving the processes by finding the solution to fix and prevent the future problems. Means finding the solution to defects or root causes. C stands for control, means controlling and sustaining or maintaining the improvement solution for further processes. International Association for Six Sigma certification, that is IASSC, is a certification from this association. Basically, there are black belt, green belt, yellow belt certification depending on their quality of or content of training. Black belt person, certified person, is a full-time statistical problem solving person or expert in the organization. Green belt certified person is a part-time and helps black belt certified person to solve statistical problem in the organization. Yellow belt person, certified person, basically understand basics of Six Sigma and take further certification to reach green belt and black belt. Six Sigma certification exam are designed to measure a person's knowledge of the Lean Six Sigma methodology, and this certification is valid for 2 years. Thank you.